Hello everyone, welcome to Glitch Sip. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we can make the Ender Dragon respawn in Minecraft, whether it's Java or Bedrock. For this, what we're going to have to do is get these end crystals, and the crafting is something we're going to have to do in the following way. For this, let's stand right here and search for end crystal. As you can see, this would be the item, and this is what we're going to have to make. We're going to need to go to the crafting table. We're going to place a crafting table, and we're going to put one right here. In this case, what we're going to need, are these materials. We're going to need glass, we're also going to need an eye of ender, from an enderman, and we're going to need a ghast tear. And as you can see, this item right here gets crafted. We're going to have to repeat this process 4 times in order to do the following. In this case, we're only missing 3 now. We're going to place the remaining eyes, and in this way, we now have 4. Now, since the dragon is no longer here, we can simply go out into the world. We're going to have to place these crystals in this way, always in the middle of these 3 sections. We place one here, and the last one we place here. And as you can see, the dragon is already starting to respawn. So we're simply going to have to wait for the dragon to come back. And in this way, it will be able to respawn. As you can see, it is over there in the background. Let's see if we can go up a little bit to observe it while it appears. As you can see, there's not much left now. It will simply appear right here, once again, the dragon, thanks to this crafting right here. This obviously takes some time, it's not like it appears instantly, and as you can see, we now once again have our dragon. And well, that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one here on Glitch Sip.